Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start today's news. Alright, Paul Messing, they'll come and talk about the match where Arsenal will play against Everton. So we're back on the talk about a major factor with it for that match. So we're back on the of the opinion say Gabriel Jesus could be the major difference today versus Everton, because in return from injury, now a massive boost for Arsenal. And Gabriel Jesus get one record against Everton. We say don't score like 8 times in the last 9 games against them. I don't forget they put that record, but I don't get a very like he loves to play them. Now them be the only team we don't score more goals against. I know someone will play for February. Made them beat us 1-0. I think that Tarkowski knocked the ball. Gabriel Jesus was missing, I think, through injury. So this time around, he's there. So we could see how everything will go, because from what Paul Messing they talk, he actually agrees that the match would be somehow difficult. Don't be saying Everton, because I see somebody in the comment section say, what will be the specific advantage where Everton take past Arsenal? See, there are some advantages that are psychological. Like there's a particular ground, we say anytime we go there, regardless of how you play, they will still beat you. You get, so that psychological edge. Don't get job like Tottenham Hotspur. Anytime when they come for the Emirates Stadium, they know say they will collect, irrespective of how they prepare come, irrespective of how they play or face the match, they will still collect. Even if not them first score, they will still lose. Get, so some areas they will say you just can't explain why you dey lose there. Get, so that kind of problem they affect Arsenal. And this time around, that is why I see many people they put man for the matter say this time around say Arsenal must break that curse of Goodison Park. Some people they call them curse. The Goodison Park curse. So we must look for a way to break out. So what do you see that everything that today, but I think by that kind after 6, supposed to do full match analysis. But okay, how the match still go? By then maybe all of us will smile. Okay, because the match now like 4:30 now the match will start. So alright, so Everton versus Arsenal for the Goodison Park. So everybody, I don't want to overflow this matter now. So we'll just go to the head-to-head straight. So for the last 5 matches, so we don't play for this place. We see say Everton beat us 4 and we draw 1 for the last 5 times, which is why it is important and paramount that we collect our maximum 3 points today. So no much thing to talk about the match. Injury level, Arsenal, I know now only Timber, maybe Timber on any party, not really they out for us. For Everton, I don't really care who get injured or no get injured, but one thing is certain, they have some key players to get for that place where they're very dangerous. I'm talking about Danjuma, I'm talking about Beto, I'm talking about Dominic Calvert-Lewin. You see that with Tarkowski, Abdoulaye Dakore, Onana, get. Don't forget their keeper Jordan Pickford. They have players that have everything that like they won't prove their mettle, that they are good. Because for the first 4 games they don't play, they lose 3, they can't draw 1. So against Arsenal, they don't lose their first 2 home games. Get, say they lose to their mate, but when they meet Arsenal now, they will change. Get, they go turn to another thing. So what does it watch out? Alright, so Arsenal they line up Felicity Bernard get as their new CEO. So now go feel replace Vina Ivan Kersham. Now this Felicity, what we hear him say, is the commercial director for West Ham. So Arsenal feel say is going to fit the role of CEO for Arsenal. I think that's Chief Executive Officer. So we'll just watch whether it will go through, because they are still vetting him, they're trying to approach him, but that's the name they are throwing around where they see for the media. So as a make adjustment, because we need to fill up that vacuum. Even though Vinay never really come out now, at 2024 at the end of the season, they ain't go saying goodbyes to Arsenal, and we wish him all the best of luck. We thank him for the 14 years of service when he give Arsenal. Nothing lasts forever, and that is just the nature of club administration. So we just want to bring another person who can just enter to replace him. Alright, so as a Wenger said, don't come outside and talk about the Everton match. Everybody they talk about the Everton match because we never win there for the past 6 years. So don't be surprised. Everybody talk about this Everton. Say Everton can be big club. Now because of the record we'll get against them. So Wenger can of the opinion say Arsenal are overwhelming favorites for this match, and that one are true. If you watch it, the bookmakers give Arsenal. You know say Arsenal are supposed to win. Even when you check Predict Z, because we are the Get My Head to Head level, we see say they give Arsenal will knock Everton 2-0. Even penalties when they work for Talk Sport. Instead of come outside say this match, no matter how it won't be, say Arsenal will knock Everton 2-0. You get? If I ask everybody for a comment section, everybody will talk 3-0, 4-0, 3-1. Me go and they see that 2-0, but when the match starts, you go see say the atmosphere will be electrifying with so much emotions. The Goodison Park will come alive, and that's why the audience they enter where they play. Make our players don't let this record, this history, enter their head and mess with their psychic. But they don't want the panic here, because panic now once we don't they affect us whenever we play this Everton side. But I believe say Ateta we don't really groom these guys, like, because we have senior men now. We don't like tell them say this match, no matter how it won't be, we could just calm down the tempo, because Everton when they don't blow ping, they won't rush us, give us rush hour part 1, part 2, part 3. So we gotta calm the team down, you get, pass the ball, you get, because once now we hold ball and they don't do that run, at the end of the day no go work. But I pray make Everton come aside, make they come play. Make we said come aside, come play. Make they not go play 10 men behind the ball, because if they play 10 men behind the ball, it will hard to break them down. Nobody say we not go create chances, but you go hard to break them down. But if they come aside, it will be a free-flowing football. So now what do me I they expect to see today? What just what make Everton no shall disappoint me. Make they come aside. Alright, so Robbie Savage also come aside come to say for him, saying they see Arsenal securing all 3 points. Okay, so now waiting in the see for the match. And instead of when they talk about it, I just talk now, see they get Beto, they get Danjuma, Dominic Calvert-Lewin, and this Beto a new player when they just signed 22.something million pounds. So the guy said go on, prove himself. But waiting, Babak when they talk about now, say Everton, Sean Dyche will depend on the crowd, because now the crowd now go make everywhere they electrifying. You get, if the crowd know they vocal, Arsenal will get to enjoy themselves. But once the crowd push the team, because the crowd that mean their own 12th men, nobody else get 12th men now. So if the crowd push the Everton team, they will come aside, because they are playing at home. So they will not be, I don't think they will play 10 men behind the ball, but who knows? But if they come aside, chances good day, both sides will create chances. So at the end of the day, the best side will score your own chances and go win. So everybody now on the tip Arsenal to win. But one fear why they get now say individual errors, and most times when everybody don't dig behind Arsenal, say Arsenal must win. Now that time Arsenal will come go to do anyhow. Make today no go be this case. You get, that's what me I'm saying. Well, because if you ask like 10 people now say what you go predict for this match, I can guarantee you say 9 out of 10 will talk say Arsenal will win, because on paper Arsenal is a better team. But we don't say match no be on paper, they play am like 11-11. So we'll see how everything go unfold. Alright, Talk Sports going to do an expose on Kai Havertz. So they're going to say Havertz is very, very desperate to kickstart in Arsenal career. Say in the hope say this Everton match will give him that opportunity to relaunch in career. And when you look at it, me personally, I would expect me to play a midfield trio of Odegaard, Rice, and Jorginho. But alternatively, they're going to look at me another way around. Why Ateta people start Kai Havertz, Rice, and Odegaard? You see this match, it will be like your regular match of tiki-taka. This match is going to be won in the air. I see a lot of aerial balls, aerial duels in this match. Go and write it down. Since I choose talking, I see a lot of long balls for this match, from Pickford to maybe Beto, from Pickford to maybe Danjuma, from Pickford to Dominic Calvert-Lewin. If you look at the midfield, they have so many tall guys there. We're talking about Onana and Abdoulaye Dakore. So we need to have tall men too in the middle of the park to match their own aerial strengths, because like we say a lot of things, Arsenal will press their defense. So if you say Jordan Pickford will get choice than to launch long balls. So when they launch those long balls, we need tall men also to knock the ball down and make sure we get the second balls. So that the way we are seeing the battle for this match go day. Okay, so what just watch? Maybe I may be wrong, maybe I may be right. Now when the match starts, we'll know, because everything we are all saying now is in the realm of speculation. Nobody don't see the future. Everybody just speculates how the match will be. As they talk for Stock Sports, ESPN, everybody's speculating. Nobody know exactly how the match will unfold. Now when the match starts, we'll see. But personally, I see an aerial ball fight for this match. Alright, see, you see this match, you know, say they don't get this rumor where they talk say, or should I not call it rumor? They don't get this news where they talk say Bukayo Saka they play through an Achilles niggling injury. You get, you don't play that, you don't play with that for since last season. Even though they ask Ateta talks in a normal level, say players, everybody they face pain one way or the other. But this match, is going to be like an expose. If Saka no play very well, that talk of Achilles injury when they play with from last season, the talk will resurrect. People come to talk and say, shebi dem talk and say this guy get injury. Why not go cure am once and for all? But if Saka has a good game today, nobody will mention that Achilles injury. So I just giving that the different news from both sides of the divide. So we'll just watch how Saka will perform today. If he do it, because when you watch the last match of England, Gabriel Saka no play Bukayo Saka because in rest am, get no player. So we'll just watch what's going to happen for this one. Alright, Jacob Kivior also don't come as I call it say in favorite position for Arsenal, that be centre back. So they do one Sky Sports interview. We call it explain to them saying that centre back in love to play because when you check this season, see I think that they try to integrate the guy small into the left back role because now only Zinchenko will be the primary out and out left back who will get the rest now conversion you get because when you talk of who they play left back for Arsenal now Zinchenko, irrespective of saying they play number 10 for a country, that one doesn't mean at Arsenal there is primary duty. There's a primary duty and there's a secondary duty. Zinchenko's primary duty at Arsenal is left back. His secondary duty is midfield. But so primary and left back. So look at all this Kivior now where they try to convert. Yes, their primary role is centre back. Their secondary role is left back. Look at the Tomiyasu. His primary role at Arsenal is right back. His secondary role is anywhere across the back line. So we need to understand all these distinctions. Because I remember the last time I talked about Zinchenko playing left back, some people were coming out to argue, say left back not be in primary position. I don't just want to engage them for argument's sake. I just laugh them off. Because you need to understand primary roles and secondary roles. So now so it will be so at the end of the day, keep your contact say, well, and the coach will decide where you want to play. Say coach say making the play left back. So no yawa, but where you really like in favorite position. That's centre back. Alright, my Arsenal lovers, so if you know what yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click and so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and get out.